Hi, first of all, I want to introduce myself. I'm Reggie Ukutan from the 21st Batch Managerial School, and here is my ideology. The modern world is bad. It is inhumane, unfair, and unjust. This is a world of money. It is not for the people. It is for those who produce money for bankers and financiers. The ordinary people just serve them to sweep their houses. We are working so hard to get paid. We are working so hard to attain our daily needs. We are working so hard to earn some money. But this is so unfair. Why those bankers not working so hard but they have a lot of money? And why we ordinary people working so hard to get some money? Yes, we need to work so hard because we have goals and dreams. Money cannot be picked up on the street or just fall from somewhere. But is it fair? It is so unfair for us ordinary people. Yes, we have to work, but what we should expect in the end? Small pensions, half-starved old age. We have to spend earlier lives. Money is not even a measure of labor. All of these are instruments of lie. Lie, 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 lie. Yes, it is necessary to work, to create something useful for the society. But firstly, we have to work voluntarily, not only in order to survive, but we have to do what we like to do. Once it is necessary to work, it should be necessary to work for everyone. We must stop living in the world of inequality and injustice. Financial apocalypse. That's the only thing that can break our financial chains and save us all. Release us finally from the continuous slavery. Everything old will burn in its fire and new will appear. The Fed will be removed from power and will no longer develop social inequality. The banks as they are now will simply disappear. This will stop robbing the people. In fact, the banks do not produce anything useful. What useful can they do? Give credits at plundering interest? As a result, all the population is burdened with debts. Nevertheless, modern banks were created for other purposes. They aren't interested in society, but in their own goals. People aren't important for them. Modern banks are loyal servants of the Fed, hypocritical agents, misusing the products of labor of common people. The current financial system is merely distracting us, and it will continue attacking us, and then our children and grandchildren. It will get even worse if nothing changes. We will destroy the existing financial system and build new, fair and honest. We have no other choice. We are not slaves. We are people, and we choose freedom. And this freedom is almost here already. Now, thanks to financial apocalypse is inevitable, unavoidable. Since now it's just a question of time. The seed was dropped, and it would grow. It's already growing. Right now, at this moment, it will not perish. What is MMM? MMM is created by Mr. Sergey Mabrodi. MMM is a global mutual aid society. Worldwide People's Bank, financial network. You can call it what you like. MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business, HYIP, investment, or MLM program. This is a community of ordinary people, selflessly helping each other, a kind of the global fund of mutual aid. This is the first sprout of something new in the modern, soulless and ruthless world of greed and hard cash. The goal here is not the money. The goal is to destroy the world's unjust financial system, financial apocalypse. How do MMM works? Since you already fully understand MMM, it's time to create your own account. First, to start, you must register on the official website of MMM. It is either the mmglobal.org or the philippines.mmm.net. Number 2, create your own Bitcoin wallet. This Bitcoin wallet used to transfer money to our participant as well as used to receive your money from our dear participants who want to provide help. You can make your wallet by signing up at Blockchain Info. Link your wallet in your MMM account. Then, enter at your personal office in MMM. Fifth one is, there will be two big buttons on it, on your personal office. It is called the Provide Help and the Get Help. 6. Provide Help means voluntarily providing help to members, and Get Help means receiving an assistance. 7. Once you provided help, you will get a reward called Mabro. And your Mabro will grow a minimum of 20% to 100% monthly. Mabro is the internal currency of the system. However, as soon as you get Mabros, you won't be able to sell them till they are unconfirmed, as you still haven't transferred money but only created the request. 8. Then you'll get the order in your personal office, including all bank account details of the person you should transfer money. The orders also contains contact details of the person, so you can get in touch with him or her to make sure that it's a real person and participant as you. In MMM, there is no central account where all participants' money accumulates and where it can be stolen. All transfers are carried out between the participants directly. It means that everything is quiet, clear, and transparent. MMM plays the role of the operator that helps to establish the contact between the participants. 9. Transfer money to the participant. He or she confirms the receipt and your Mabros become confirmed. That's it. Now you can sell them whenever you want, total amount or a part of it. 10. If you want to sell your Mabro, click Get Help and specify the amount. Other participant will receive the order and will send you the money. As you did earlier, don't forget to confirm the receipt of help as soon as the money is in your bank account. But no earlier. Be careful with frauds, because someone sent a fraud receipt. If you don't do it, the sender's Mabro won't be confirmed. Next one is the rules of MMM. First, you must fully understand the ideology of MMM. Second, participants should share ideas and goals of the MMM community. Third, members of the MMM community should be kind and honest to each other. Fourth, you must only have one account. Multiple account is strictly prohibited. Fifth, only one IP address per account. 6. Rules of relatives. Much better to enter your relative with other referrer, not your direct referral. 7. But if you will be the referrer of your relatives, see to it that they must not provide help higher than your provide help. 8. MMM is not engaged in any form of investment activity. 9. Participants should only donate their spare money and do not participate in all. The minimum amount of donation is $10 and the maximum amount of donation is $10,000. Here is the benefits of MMM. First, your Mabro will grow 20% to 100% in 1 month by participating MMM Extra by doing your everyday tasks. Second, your Mabro will grow 30% monthly even not doing an extra task every day. All you need to do is to provide help. Here is the sample computation of your Mabro. For example, if you donated 10,000 in your first month, it will automatically grow 30% or additional of 3,000. And the next month, the total of your Mabro will be grow again another 30% after the 12th month. Third one is additional 10% referral bonus for every person you invited to join here in MMM. For example, John invited Peter to join in MMM. Peter decided to participate with an amount of $10,000. Automatically, John will get a referral bonus of 10% from his donation worth of $1,000. Fourth, You can receive a sign-up bonus of $20, $50, and $100, depending on how much is your very first Provide Help. Take note that this is only for those newcomers of MMM, and they can only receive it once. Fifth, a 3% or a 5% bonus from your letter of happiness. 3% if it is in a form of letter only, and 5% if it included a video on it. For example, Peter received his request of Get Help amounting to $10,000 and is required to make a letter of happiness. He made his letter included a video testimonial. A $500 bonus will be entered on his Mabro automatically after confirmation of his letter by moderator, and he will withdraw this bonus after 30 days. Meaning, $500 is the 5% of his requested help. 6. MMM conducting a managerial school for those who are interested to be a guider. Manager can gain a leadership bonus per level. Per level has a corresponding bonus from first level up to infinity level. On his first level, he can get, or rather from his first level participant contribution, he will get 5%, the next level 3%, the next level 1%, the fourth level 0.5%, fifth level 0.3%, sixth level 0.1%, seventh level 0.05%, eighth level 0.03%, and the next level up to infinity level is 0.01%. 7. Weekly lottery game. This contains a 6-number combination wherein all MMM members with confirmed Mabros can join. You will be win when you get at least a minimum of first 2 exact combination, first 3 exact combinations, first 4 exact combination, first 5 exact combination, and a jackpot prize when you get the exact 6 combinations. And lastly, MMM community conducting an offline event and charity events to introduce to people what is MMM and to contribute some goods to our community. I would like to encourage all to join our fast-growing community called MMM Global Community and feel the power of giving. Today you help someone, and tomorrow someone will help you more. Come, join us, and together we change the world. That's all. Thank you.